Look at that, Willys. Now that's what I'm talking about. And of course, it never fails, it's Bob Johnson. This man has car taste. This thing's amazing.
How about that January at Barrett Jackson?
Oh, you did, okay.
Yeah. I saw it, my legs got weak on me, man. It's a 1941 Willys. It's an iconic race car. They were light, they were round, they were pretty aerodynamic. That's what all the drag racers used to use. Most of the guys you see are make them gassers, like the other Willys over there, you know, put a straight axle in them, got them all hacked up. The thing that was unique about this one I liked so well, it was pro touring style. And of course, had the Hemi in it.
Ooh, look at that. Look at the clearance.
It's a shoehorn fit in, as you can see.
So 392 Hemi, it's got stack injection, electronic injection is like hidden inside.
Yeah, they've been converted electronic. Just real understated and clean.
Understated with the Hemi, with the stacks, with the injection. That's Bob Johnson's level of understatement. Sounds good. Man, this would be fun.
And I really like that he left all original hardware on the car. The doorknobs, the handles, the dash cluster, all that's original. Most people put a bunch of idiot-looking race car gauges and Mickey Mouse stuff. I don't like that kind of stuff. I like the uniqueness of this.
Now, here's another little window into Bob Johnson's life. Not only does he have a ton of cars, but he also flips them out all the time. He flips them so much that he has to label them of where the stuff is. Here's your fuel pump, there's your motor cooling fan, there's your wiper, because he's switching cars so much, he doesn't even know like where everything runs.
You know, when you got as many cars as I got, you forget. Everybody got to hide a battery cutoff, where somebody go to steal it, they can't find it. Of course, I forget where it is, and I tell my guys to write those things down where we can figure it out.